Yo, what's going on? It's your boy Emmanuel King. Yo, man, get that water in your life. But yo, actors, listen to me, yo. Straight up, man. Today, you know what? We're taking action. I don't give a damn what you've been through. You know what I'm saying? Today, go after your dreams wholeheartedly. You make sure you call your agent today. Email them today. Ask for a meeting today, not tomorrow. Don't wait for it. Your manager. If you ain't got a manager, guess what? You should do 20 emails today to management companies. Make sure you get a manager today. Don't wait for tomorrow. We don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. What are you going to do today that's going to separate you from everybody else? Are you going to continue to just sleep, for another hour? Or are you going to hit up 20 managers in that hour? You could actually send off 20 emails every single hour today for the next 8 hours. Now, you do the math, but guess what? I bet you that you will have a meeting if you do that. It's up to you, but take action today. Stop waiting. Today is the day to make it happen. Yo, it's your boy, Emmanuel King. I love y'all. I believe in y'all. Let's go.